Slide 1. Furoshiki Wrapping Techniques. Welcome to Furoshiki Wrapping Techniques presentation. This Japanese technique is a simple form of reusable fabric gift wrap, although it is also used to carry bundles in Japan. Slide 2. Overview. This presentation introduces you to an overview of furoshiki, a tradition in Japan of wrapping or transporting objects in fabric. The target audience for this presentation includes anyone who wants to learn an environmentally friendly way to wrap gifts or carry items. History of furoshiki. It's believed that the origins of furoshiki date back thousands of years, as a way for merchants to protect valuable goods during transportation. For centuries, public baths in Japan have been an important part of Japanese culture. Throughout history, people would wrap everything they needed for bathing in a big square cloth which they would spread out on the changing room floor to stand on while dressing and undressing. The literal translation of the word is furo, meaning bath, and shiki, meaning something to spread out. Over time, this method of transporting items became increasingly popular, and the custom spread to transporting other items such as books, gifts, and food. Slide 3. Introduction. The purpose of this presentation is to provide you with the information necessary to apply furoshiki wrapping techniques. This presentation covers the definition of furoshiki and furoshiki wrapping techniques. Slide 4. Objectives. After completing this presentation, you will be able to define furoshiki and apply furoshiki wrapping techniques. Slide 5. Furoshiki. So, what exactly is furoshiki? It is a square piece of colored or patterned fabric. The size of cloth relates to the size of gift, which is traditionally used for gift wrapping and transporting items in Japan. Furoshiki fabric is knotted to enclose the item, requiring no further string, ribbon, or tape to hold the package together. The word furoshiki refers both to the cloth and the art of folding it. The cloth is often made from a luxurious fabric which often has an elegant, decorative design. It can be used to wrap all kinds of items of different shapes such as wine bottles. After the gift has been opened, the fabric is traditionally returned to the owner. Slide 6. Furoshiki environmentally friendly. What do you need for furoshiki? All you need is a gift and a piece of fabric. The only requirement is that the cloth should be square or reversible pattern is best, and the fabric should be thick enough to hold contents but not too thick that it will be difficult to tie. Although I think it is great that furoshiki is environmentally friendly, what I also really love is that it reflects the Japanese philosophy that the value of the gift is less important than the act of giving. The Japanese culture of gift giving is that even a small gift can be heartfelt, original, can convey thoughtfulness, and doesn't have to be costly. The art is in the giving, not just the gift itself. Wrapping paper can be so wasteful, given that most wrapping paper cannot be recycled, so many folks have been on the hunt for a zero-waste gift wrap that's eco-friendly. They've now evolved into a reusable cloth bag, a wine bottle carrying device, and a form of gift wrap that can be used infinitely. Slide 7. Furoshiki Demonstration. We will watch a short video demonstrating how to make a furoshiki gift wrap. Slide 8. Furoshiki Activity. You will need a square item and a furoshiki square piece of fabric to complete this activity. Step 1. Lay the square piece of fabric on a flat surface and place the item on the fabric. Step 2. Fold the corner of the fabric over the item and tuck extra fabric under the item. Step 3. Fold the corner of the fabric over the item. Step 4. Fold inward and lift the remaining sides straight up. Step 5. Tie a simple square knot. Refer to the furoshiki activity handout and the furoshiki handout for more wrapping techniques. Slide 9. Furoshiki Knowledge Check. What is furoshiki? Option A. Furoshiki is a tradition in Japan of wrapping objects in fabric using a square piece of fabric wrapped and tied around an object. Option B. Furoshiki is a Japanese dish. Option C. Furoshiki is sushi. Option D. Furoshiki is a Japanese futuristic animation. Slide 10. Furoshiki Knowledge Check Answer. The correct answer is Option A. Furoshiki is a tradition in Japan of wrapping objects in fabric using a square piece of fabric wrapped and tied around an object. Slide 11. Summary. Congratulations! You have completed this presentation. You should now be able to define furoshiki and apply furoshiki wrapping techniques. Slide 12. Furoshiki Questions. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. Refer to the training materials for additional information. Furoshiki Presentation, Furoshiki Lesson Plan, Furoshiki Activity Handout, Furoshiki Handout, and Furoshiki Script.